The 29th of January, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
Well,
You don't want him to delay his his journey for the sake of traveling backwards to get water for washing his hands.
right. Wow.
Lou, we're learning about Death Valley, Lou. You heard about Death Valley?
Oh yeah, I went there several times.
Nice place to visit.
It's beautiful. I went there one year in February or March, and the flowers were in bloom.
Oh, really?
It was unbelievable. So beautiful.
They still have rattlesnakes there.
I didn't see any rattlesnakes in Death Valley.
Yeah. Okay. But but nevertheless, it's it got like I was telling Mayor, it must have gotten its reputation. It must have gotten its name for good reason why it's called Death Valley. You know.
Oh yeah, there's a famous story about a group of pioneers. They were traveling to California from the East Coast, and they got stuck in Death Valley, and a bunch of them died.
Wow.
Mhm.
The temperature there in the summer can get to be 120 degrees.
Wow. Uh-huh. Okay, I guess the flowers are gone by then.
Yeah, that's right. That's the summer. That's like I was there in like February or March, and the summer is like June, July, August.
Right. So how does that relate to what we're learning here? We're learning again in Kufnun Ches and Sif Ches. And it says Mishayid b'midbar, person's in a midbar, or b'makom sakana, or a place of danger, Elomaim, and he has no water, right? Potim in the Tilas Yadayim, he doesn't have to wash his hands, right? So we're learning in the Mishnah Berurah because part of the reason is because when he's in a midbar, even if he would know that he could travel backwards and get water, even if he knows that, but still, since it's a Makam Sukkot, he's not obligated to travel backwards to obtain water from the Tilas Yadayim. If he doesn't have water right now where he is now, he's not obligated to try and obtain water and going backtracking.
Even a short distance.
It said even a mill, the Mishnah, even a mill, right? Which is
Right.
usually, that's about a mile's, distance.
Right.
So if it's less than a mill, it says Gan Ken Ein Mechuyev. Mishnah Berurah's lashon Ein, he's not Mechuyev. Maybe is it also for him to do that? I don't know. The Mishnah Berurah is Ein Lo Mechuyev. He's not obligated, but maybe he could still do it if he thinks he could manage it. Or maybe not. Maybe since he's in a Makom Sakana, it should. I would think maybe it would be also for him to do it. Again, if it's a short distance, maybe even not that either. Don't know. It's to tell you the truth, it's not so clear to me.
I have learned that you have to go back if it's less than a mill.
Right, but that is under normal conditions. Here he's in a midbar, he's in Makom Sakana.
Oh, I see.
You're right. Under normal conditions, we'll get to that. That normal conditions, if everything, it's simply just a matter of going back and backtracking your forest hike. So it's not, you're not worried about anything. You're not in Makom Sakana. So you're not obligated. You're obligated to go back a mill. But to here, since it's a kana, it's like in a midbar, for example. So you're not obligated. Again,
Hmm.
as I said, I'm not sure if that doesn't mean is it reshus. Could you do it if you wanted to? Not clear. All right, we'll try and clarify that as we go along, maybe. Okay, let's continue on.
Okay, so Lamed Het. No, it's Lamed Hey. No, hold it.
Hey,
We did that. Oh, okay. Lamed Vav. Patur min netilat yadayim. So he's exempt from doing the tilat yadayim. Mikoma kom b'mapa tzarik likrot yadav. But nevertheless, I guess was mapa today is a tablecloth. I guess with some sort of cloth, he
right,
needs to wrap his hands. Kedil Kaman Simin Kuf Samik Gimel. I guess so. We'll see that in Kuf Samik Gimel.
right. We're gonna see that in detail over there. Not too far from us. We're in Kuf Nun Ches. So Kuf Samet Gimel is another four sifim away. But the rule is that even though you're putter from the Tilos Yadayim, but nevertheless, you still should cover your hands, wear gloves or something like that. And then those days, took a towel or a mop or cloth. Now you have plastic gloves and things like this, right? So you can do it that way. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's continue on.
Okay, so let's see. So we're up to Tet then, I guess, in the Mishnah Berura here up on top. Okay, so Tariq Zaher Benitilat Yadayim. One should be very careful about doing the Tilat Yadayim. Shekol ha-mizazel Benitilat Yadayim Chayav. Okay, so
Let's see.
Mizazel, let's see. That all who Mizazel.
Yeah, but the circle is already you have to be careful to
Oh,
fulfill the
careful
mitzvah
of
of
doing the
Zivart.
Tilat Yadayim.
Why should call?
Okay. Shkom Mizazel Benitilat, be very careful doing the Tilat Yadayim. Chayav Nidoy Uva Lidei Aniyut V'ne'ekar Min Ha'olam.
I missed the translation for Mizalzel.
Mizazel is to be lax, and even it's a little bit even stronger than being lax. It's almost like anyone who will like ignore intentionally. He's ignoring intentionally washing the Tilas Yadayim.
Okay, so let's see. Benitilat Yadayim Chayav, he's obligated. Nidoy Uvalide Aniyut V'ne'ekar Min Ha'olam. What? Because he will come to poverty, I guess, poorness,
Yeah, well,
Aniyut.
first, there are three things here that are mentioned. First thing is
Oh,
nidui. Nidui is like cherem. You'll be put into cherem. That's excommunication.
oh, wow.
And they're very, very serious, very serious.
Yeah.
Number one is excommunicated. Number two, he'll come to poverty. And number three will be ne'ekar min ha'olam. Will be uprooted from the world. Where that we have to understand what that means exactly. Ne'ekar min ha'olam.
Wow. Let's see. Tet Vav.
Yeah, so that brings
No.
us to,
I don't see any Mishnah Brewer here.
yeah, you're right, there's no Mr. Bruno on this one, second, Ted Zion, that's a short scene.
This
Yeah,
seems
take it,
awfully, awfully severe
right,
punishment for just not washing one's hands.
that's right. Yeah, you're right. And not only that, take a look in the Bear Hativ in Tes Zion over there.
Okay, hold on. Bear Hativ, Tet Zion. Might need a magnifying. Oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so you said Tet Zion in the Bear. Let's see.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's right.
so I'm not sure what the initials are. Bini Toy. Bini.
Benitias Yadayim.
Oh, Benitila Yadayim. Oh, okay. Afilu Bipam Echad.
Yeah, even
Even
if it would be
once.
Mizalzo, even if it would be Mizalzo, even one time.
Wow. Okay. The ayin Birashi Bisota. So look at I guess Rashi and Sota. Hold it. She'ochel tamid shekatav she'ochel tamid b'li netilat yadayim. That it is written that I guess one eats without or he eats without continually doing netilat yadayim. V'ayin b'matei Yosef. Are these different sources, I guess?
Yeah, that's right. So you have a difference of opinion here. It says in the beginning, if you pamachas, even if a person's going to be mezalzel in it one time, he'll be lax and intentionally not wash even one time. And then, however, Rashi says in Sota, shokol tamid bli netilas, that he eats continually without netilas yadayim. Seems to be a machlokus. Have to do it only once, or it could has to be only continually.
Wow.
Okay, I'll see if I can have a chance to look this up a little bit later today and get some more information on this. But you see how strict this is.
Yeah. Have to be very careful about this. Wow. Okay, so that was Tet. No,
Let's see, we have a minute or two. Yeah, we have a few minutes. Let's start Yud in the meantime.
okay, so Yud. Alpha P Shiuram Revi'it. Okay, so what? Even nevertheless, uh, I guess with a measure of a revit, one can Yosef Litol B'Shefa, that he can continue to Litol is to take, isn't it?
Well, that's the washing. That's the meat.
Oh, okay. So the washing B'Shefa. That's
with the release of water, you can have enough to wash properly with the abundance.
oh, okay. Let's see. The Amar Rav Chisda, and that was said by Rav Chisda, I guess. Okay, Ana Mishai Milo Hafnei Maya. So what Ana here? It's taught Mishna Mishai. No,
Yeah, the upper piece is here.
Mishai is to carry.
Well, I believe here it's talking in Bishefa with an abundance.
Oh,
Ani Mishai, Velo Chafni Maya. I wash, Mashai is like to wash. I'm washing for Chafni Maya.
okay. Shefa Demira B'chasista. Okay. And Mishamelo Hafne Maya. Okay, so he should wash with water. The Haivu Li Milo Hafne Tivuta. We have
Right. That's Melo Chafne Tivusa. That Yavili Mole Chafne Tivusa. And they gave it to me. They would give me. They would give me the um, a an abundance. It would also be in an abundance. We'll see.
Oh,
We'll go over this again tomorrow. Yeah, let's stop. Let's stop here. We'll review the Machaber tomorrow.
okay, so we'll do put a bookmark at 10 then. Yud.
That's right.
Okay, very good. Yishkoyach.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Very, very good. Thank you for the reading. Thank you, Lou. You both have a good
Welcome.
afternoon.
Thank you, Rabbi. Shkoyach Meir.
Okay, yeah. Have a good day.
Very
Okay,
good.
You too.
thank you.
Shalom, bye.
10.